Today we are going to discuss about the glycolysis energy balance sheet. Okay, let us get started. During energy investment phase, glucose molecule gets converted into glucose 6-phosphate. The phosphate group donor is ATP molecule, and this reaction takes place in presence of an enzyme called hexokinase or glucokinase plus magnesium divalent ion. That means one ATP molecule is utilized. During energy investment phase, fructose 6 phosphate gets converted into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Again, the phosphate group donor is ATP molecule, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme phosphofructokinase. Phosphofructokinase phosphorylates fructose 6 phosphate at carbon number first to form fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Again, one molecule of ATP is utilized during this process. That means during energy investment phase, in total, two molecules of ATP are utilized. Energy generation phase. During this process, high energy molecule ATP are generated. In this process, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. In the presence of enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. During energy generation phase, two molecules of nicotinamide diadenine nucleotide are formed. Twice NADH is equal to 5 ATP molecules. That means 5 ATP molecules are generated in this phase. In the next step of the energy generation phase, 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate gets converted into 3-phosphoglycerate. In this step, high energy phosphate group is transferred from 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to ADP. The formation of ATP is referred as substrate level phosphorylation because the phosphate donor is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. This step is catalyzed by an enzyme called phosphoglycerate kinase, and two ATP molecules are formed in this process. The last step of the glycolysis, in which phosphenol pyruvate gets converted into two molecules of the pyruvate in presence of an enzyme called pyruvate kinase plus magnesium dipositive and K positive ions. This last step in glycolysis is the irreversible transfer of phosphoryl group from phosphenol pyruvate to ADP. Again, substrate level phosphorylation and two molecules of ATP are generated in this step. Thank you.